Hello folks, it's November the 21st of the garden, 2022. It's a very late year this year for me. I've let it go, but I got to show you something. I just started the crazy harvest I got. I still harvesting. I got 80 pounds in the freezer, another 80 pounds to process, but I'm doing the massive amount of parsnips, which is going to be crazy here today. But I got to show you the first. What? What, little dog? I've got to show you the first one that I dug up. The very first one. Look at this. It it's got to be. I'll do the camera on the side here for you. It's got to be good 17, 18 inches. A good 5 inches across the top. It is absolutely massive. That's the first one, and I've got 4 rows to do here. I'll let you. I'll give you a shot of it at the end when I'm done filling this wheelbarrow. And my little dog. Oh, he's getting so old. Yes, Doug.